friends, welcome to FX Yogi. In today's video, let's get to know about the AUD. Even though they have got their season mixed up, the Australians are always up bright and early to play. Well, this is mostly because the Australian market is the first to open every week. Just like the people inhabiting the place, Australia's local currency, the AUD, is called the Aussie. One important characteristic of the AUD is that it has a high positive correlation with gold prices. The reason behind this is that Australia is the third biggest gold producer in the world. As a result, whenever the price of gold rises or falls, the AUD goes along for the ride. Among the major currencies, the AUD has been known for having a high interest rate. This makes it a favorite for carry trades. Carry trade is the practice of buying a currency with a high interest rate in exchange for a currency with a lower interest rate. Most of the AUD's movement happened during the Asian trading session, the time when economic data from Australia is released. Given the commodity-based economy of Australia, unfavorable weather conditions tend to put a serious strain on Australia's growth, which leads to a sell-off in the AUD. How severely do weather conditions affect AUD? Well, let's just say that during the Australian draft of 2002, AUD USD fell to 0.4770. That is almost half its current exchange rate. Important economic indicators for Australia. Consumer Price Index. Because the RBA's primary goal is controlling inflation, the CPI, which measures the overall change in the price of consumer goods and services, is closely watched by the bank. Balance of trade. Australia has an extremely robust trade sector, so currency traders and bank officials alike tend to watch changes in the country's export and import levels. Gross domestic product. This measures how well Australia's economy is doing. Positive readings indicate economic growth, while negative readings mean economic contraction. Unemployment rate. The unemployment rate tracks how many people in Australia's labour force are out of work. The number of people employed, or rather unemployed in this case, has a high correlation with economic activity. A person without a job means he has less money available for spending. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.